Good morning, investors. Here's your full market update for Friday, April 25th, 2025. Starting with yesterday's action on Wall Street, the major indices rallied across the board. The S&P 500 closed up 2%, officially pulling out of correction territory. The Nasdaq surged 2.7%, boosted by tech strength, especially from semiconductors and AI stocks. The Dow Jones added 1.2%, continuing its positive momentum for the week. Alphabet, Google's parent company, reported impressive first quarter results after the market closed on Thursday. Revenue reached $90.2 billion, a 12% year over year increase, surpassing analyst expectations. Net income soared 46% to $34.54 billion, or $2.81 per share. The company's strong performance was fueled by growth in Google Cloud, which saw a 28% increase to $12.3 billion, and continued strength in advertising revenue. Alphabet also announced a 5% increase in its quarterly dividend to 21 cents per share and authorized an additional $70 billion in stock buybacks. Now to today's earnings reports. Before the market opens, keep an eye on AbbVie, HCA Healthcare, Aon, Colgate-Palmolive, Charter Communications, Schlumberger, Phillips 66, Centene, LyondellBasell, Avantor, and Saia. Turning to global markets, Asia traded in the green overnight. The Hang Seng led gains, while Japan's Nikkei closed up modestly. Optimism was fueled by easing tensions in U.S.-China trade relations and improving export forecasts. Over in Europe, markets are cautiously higher as investors await key earnings and economic data, with the Stoxx 600 up slightly this morning, led by gains in industrial and financial stocks. Now let's check the U.S. economic calendar for the day. At 10:00 a.m. Eastern, the University of Michigan releases its revised Consumer Sentiment Index, which could provide insight into inflation expectations and consumer outlook. At 1 p.m. Eastern, we'll get the weekly Baker Hughes rig count, a key indicator for energy sector performance. That's your complete financial snapshot for Friday, April 25th. Make sure to stay tuned after the close for Alphabet and Intel earnings. They could set the tone for Monday's open. Thanks for watching and trade smart.